Deleting a workspace in Asana is a permanent action, and once it's deleted, all tasks, projects, and data within that workspace will be lost. It's important to be cautious and ensure that you no longer need the workspace or its content. Here's how to delete a workspace in Asana. Log into Asana. Start by logging into your Asana account using your credentials. Access Workspace Settings. On the left sidebar, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Admin Console or My Profile Settings depending on your access. Select the workspace. In the Settings menu, under Workspaces, select the workspace you want to delete. Go to Workspace Settings. Click on the Workspace Settings option. Here, you will find an option to delete the workspace. Select Delete Workspace to proceed. Confirm deletion. Asana will ask for confirmation before proceeding with the deletion. You may need to enter your account password to confirm the action. Once confirmed, the workspace and all its content will be permanently deleted.